Hey guys, Mr. N here, and I'm joined by Mr. Cole Chisholm, and we're continuing talking about factoring. So we're going to introduce the t-table. So the t-table is a good way for us to be able to factor any kind of trinomial like this, if you can factor it. So Cole, how would you set up a t-table?
So we have it written for you right here. It's called a t-table because it looks like a T. And so when we're looking at our expression, we have 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. So I'm going to label my terms A, B, and C. And for that, we're really looking at the coefficients, so 2, 11, and 12. And so when we're looking to factor by grouping, we're going to look for two numbers that multiply to A times C, which in this case is 2 times 12, which is 24, and then add to B, which is 11. So two numbers that multiply to 24, you say like 6 and 4 adds to 10, not what we're looking for. Brainstorm some more, find 8 and 3, and that adds to 11. So those are the two numbers that we're going to use. So we bring those back up to the original, and we're going to write them in place of the 11x. So we have 2x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 12.
So let me jump in and say one thing. It doesn't matter what order you put these in. You could have written 3x plus 8x, and it would still work. But in this case, Cole decided to go with 8 first and 3 second. So proceed from here.
So when we're grouping, we're going to combine the first two terms and the last two terms. We're going to take the greatest common factor out of both. So 2x squared plus 8x, they have a 2x in common. So we're going to take that out, and we're left with x plus 4. Then 3x plus 12, they have a 3 in common. So we're going to take that out, and we have x plus 4. So now we're looking at this, and both of the parentheses are the same in being x plus 4. So that's the greatest common factor. We're going to take that out, and we're going to write 2x plus 3 and x plus 4. So this is the factored version of our original equation, 2x squared plus 11x plus 12.
Perfect. So to review, set up a t-table. A times C is your first term, B is your second term. Two numbers that multiply to give me 24 and add to give me 11 are 8 and 3. Substitute the 11x, break that down into 8 and 8x and 3x, and then factor by grouping.